best we make love and always just say goodnight. And we could, I'm sure I do love it, but I need your lips on mine. Can you kiss me more? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Cause you know your girl is doing her damn thing with these vlogs. Either I'm literally always like on a plane or in my car like starting these vlogs out. But if you guys didn't know, I do lashes in 2 different states. For now, it's not gonna be a forever thing. So I do lashes in Atlanta because I just moved to Atlanta. And then I also do lashes in New York. So we are back in New York for only a couple of weeks to do my New York girlies lashes. So this video is also going to be a life as a lash tech vlog. I am getting ready to go to work now. We have 3 clients today, so nothing too crazy. If you guys like lash tech videos, make sure you guys are liking this video and subscribing and commenting, so you know we can like build a community. Like, you guys are too quiet in my comment section, and I don't like that. Talk to me so I can talk to y'all, please. I'm about to leave very soon, so yeah, I will see you guys once I get to work.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. But they too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can't just while we're being friends, girl, I know you want.
So I am vlogging on my phone because I left my camera at home, but we just finished my first client of the day today. We have 2 more. I do want to go ahead and package this order that I have. She ordered 3 of my tweezers. I really like that. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and go package that and head to the post office, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm actually thinking about putting my AC out because it's really hot in here. Like, it's 80 degrees in here, so I'm definitely going to bring out my AC because I can't be lashing when it's that hot in here. She ordered 3 of my tweezers. She ordered the isolation tweezer, which is self-explanatory, is the isolation tweezer. She ordered my fan me out tweezer, which is my silver tip tweezer. And then she ordered my CEO tweezer, which is my fiber tip tweezer. So these tweezers are really the best. If you ever see yourself struggling with making fans or isolating, definitely try my tweezers out. I will leave the link to purchase these down below. So yeah, definitely check it out. I sell tweezers, I sell lash glue, I sell lash trims as well. So if you guys want to try my products, I will leave the link of that in the description bar.
Oh, she keep giving me looks. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you?
They say time here.
This fool Anthony right here, he said, listen.
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say that you been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me. She's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change fantasy. Don't want no boo-boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you must be. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Pretty face, pretty tender. But pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you must be. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Down on my knees on me, telling me. They say time. Better tell that nigga you mine. Heard you been trying to tie tonight. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy up one more time. Let me be that pussy up one more time. I know that you think for this. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.